Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing well. We're off to the March club meeting for our Oregon Norton Enthusiasts Club today. Unfortunately the weather is miserable. We were planning a ride after the club meeting out to our friend Andy's. You may remember that Dave and I went out to see Andy and he showcased his beautiful Norton P11, and then last year Andy came out here to the cul-de-sac and showed his fantastic Triumph Trackmaster bike. It's a brilliant bike. I actually got to ride it around the neighbourhood like a hooligan and it was a fabulous bike. Please check those videos out if you get the chance. So we're not riding to Andy's, but we're going out to his place. He has an amazing place with some beautiful Triumphs and Nortons and some other bikes that I hope you'll enjoy. And while I'm here, I thought I'd take the opportunity to invite you to take a look at our website as well. We have a pretty nice comprehensive website, and also that features some of our newsletters that were edited and published by George and most recently by oNe, and they are phenomenal. So if you get the chance, please take a look. There's some very nice stories in there and all kinds of Norton and other vintage motorcycle related topics. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.
Zeke, you're in the way.
becomes these. This becomes these. Because he's done what he got in, so it's fine. I actually, my friend who knows about it.
Yeah.
I can see where he's all over his
Maybe also they still make that. So we struggled with that.
I always appreciate
A lot of people have their hands.
concrete slab.
Really?
What size is that?
I had to stop it.
Kind of thing.
Oh, is
He
it?
got
Is
a
it?
slab.
Yeah, have to arrange time. I'm gonna make sure that someone aside from my dad is there because I don't know where that is. Okay, just be careful because a lot of these people,
Concrete
if you
slab.
wheel it towards you,
Right. Half hour, 30 minutes before. It warms up pretty well. But problem is tools, everything's still pretty, like even now. This one.